Hello everyone. In this video we will study working principle of a DC electric motor. So this is simplest circuit of a DC electric motor. There is north and south pole and current carrying conductor in between the space. This is simplest design of a DC electric motor. There is north and south pole. In the space between north and south pole there is armature, which is a conductor. The armature is connected to a DC power supply through bruches and commutator segment, that is split rings. When we supply the electric power to the armature, means when we supply the electric to the armature, around the armature the magnetic field will develop, and due to this, because of outer magnetic field, there will be a magnetic force developed in the armature, that is simply a coil that will rotate the armature. So the direction of magnetic force will be find out by Fleming's left hand rule. What is that? We have to spread of our left hand fingers in such a way that first finger, second fingers and thumb are perpendicular to each other. When the first finger show the direction of magnetic field, second finger show the direction of current, then thumb will give the direction of magnetic force. So here we can see in the coil upward force will, जो डायरेक्शन होगा फोर्स का वो अपवर्ड होगा. We have find out direction of magnetic force by using Fleming's left hand rule. Then the armature will rotate like this. Due to magnetic force, a torque will develop that will rotate the armature. So you can see here how armature will rotate when we supply a DC power supply. There is two bruches, you can see here in brackets. And this is like armature will rotate. This is armature. You can see this by arrow. This one is second surface, this one is first surface. How we have find out direction of magnetic force? By using Fleming left hand rule. We have studied it before. We have to spread our left hand fingers in such a way that thumb, first finger and middle fingers are perpendicular to each other. When first finger will give direction of magnetic field and second one is give direction of current, then thumb will give direction of magnetic force. Here we can see the direction of magnetic field is from north to south, and magnetic field and electric current are given. Electric current, then the force on shown as by arrow will act towards downward. Then armature will rotate like this. And when we will connect the fan or turbine to armature, it will also rotate. It means electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So armature will rotate like this. So this is all about working principle and design construction of electric motors.